Well, hello everybody. We got a little treat today. So much better than a trick. But, it's an unboxing. When's the last time? I have no idea. And big surprise. Pretty cool. See you later.
Well, hello everybody. How long has it been since I did an unboxing? A long time. This was a surprise. I don't know who sent it, but let's dig in, see what it is. Today's Tuesday, October 29th. Okay, it arrived yesterday, but I didn't open it yesterday. We're opening it today. Okay. And I didn't do my hair or makeup. So let's check it out. Doesn't say who it's from, but it's from Diamond Art Club. Okay. Let's see what we got. Ooh! Round ABs. Oh, awesome. I haven't seen them yet. Okay. This is so cool. Look. Peekaboo. I don't know who sent this. Thank you very much. I've been wanting round AB. But let's open it up and check it out. Yeah. Yay! Yay. So what have you all been up to? Oh. No. Really? Oh, cool. I haven't seen this yet. It's been a while since I got a Diamond Art Club. So, is this a sticker? This appears to be, it is. I haven't watched any unboxing videos either. Yep, it's a sticker. Okay, if you haven't seen these, they've got the chart with a sticker and the picture with a sticker to put in your binders. Awesome. Love it. So cool. Very cool. I like the colors too. Gold and red. Right up my alley. Okay. Let's check out these AB diamonds, rounds. Let's see here. We had Quinn's friend from Sweden came last weekend. He was a foreign exchange student in high school, and he came to visit Quinn from Sweden. So I showed him the food that Anna had sent, and yep, he was able to pronounce it, no problem. All right, let's see. I want to find the round ABs. Halloween colors. There they are. See them? Round babies. Can you see that sparkle on there? See, they got like a translucent kind of shimmery rainbowy glaze on the top or something. Very cool. All right. Haven't seen my face in a while. Probably since what, kayaking. Ooh. Oh, is that cute? Nice size to not take a lifetime to finish. That looks very cute. Okay. And like anybody needs to, but drill field, gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you to whomever sent this. I really do appreciate it. And I like the size. It's a good size. Looks like it's, you know, approximately 2 foot. Not even, probably 18 inches. I don't know. Let's see. .42 by 42 centimeter. Do the conversion. I think that's 18 inches. But I love it. Okay. And hold on, I gotta clean up my desk a little because I've got confidential information. And I'll show you where I'm at here on my whip. Hold on. I just got off work. Okay. And let's hide this. Okay. There we go. Now, I'll show you. Here's what I've been working on. So, I haven't been setting up my terraced thing. I probably could, but I just haven't. And I'm working down here. So I just keep an extra piece. And then when I get a phone call, cover it up so that, you know, I can type, work on my computer. But yeah, it's 7 o'clock. I'm almost done. See, I've only got that much more to go. So probably, I don't know, another week or two, I should be done. When I actually go at it, I do a piece about this big in a day. That takes maybe hour and a half, 2 hours, I guess. But yeah, almost done with it. And I absolutely love this holder. Love it. Got all my, yeah. Okay. So anyway, that's where I'm at on that. And let's see. I have not done the cross stitch at all, and I showed the video of where I was on my needle point. But I've been feeling like doing scratch art again. And so I don't know. But anyway, yeah. That's it. Very quick unboxing. And whoever sent it, again, thank you. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.
What'd you think of that? That's a cute little owl, isn't it? Yeah. Can't wait till she starts working on it. Yeah, she's about ready to start another one. Yeah, okay. I don't know what's going on. But if you like these videos, keep watching it. Yeah. If you don't, stop watching them. Okay. Bye.